Welcome to Tap Tech, the place where we bring you honest reviews about the latest devices that are shaping the future of technology. If you've ever wished for a drone that is small, smart, and built to work anywhere, even around water, then the HoverAir Aqua is going to catch your attention. This drone is designed to be ultra-portable, beginner-friendly, and capable of things many drones in its size simply cannot do. Let's take a closer look at what makes it stand out. The HoverAir Aqua doesn't look like your typical drone. Instead of a bulky frame with exposed propellers, it has a slim and safe design with a cage-like body that protects the blades. This means you can safely launch and land it from your hand without worrying about injuries or damaging the props. It weighs under 250 grams, so it's light enough to be carried anywhere, and in most countries, you don't even need to register it. That instantly makes it appealing for casual flyers and travelers. The build quality is solid despite the lightweight frame. The body is made of high-grade plastic with reinforced edges that give it durability. It can take small bumps without falling apart. And because the propellers are fully enclosed, it's much safer to fly indoors, around pets, or near people compared to traditional drones. For many beginners, this peace of mind makes flying a lot less stressful. Now let's talk about the camera, because that's one of the main reasons people buy drones. The HoverAir Aqua comes with a 4K camera capable of shooting sharp video and clear photos. The lens is stabilized with electronic image stabilization, which helps reduce shakiness. While it doesn't have the advanced gimbal systems you see on higher-end drones, the footage still looks clean and smooth for casual use. It's perfect for social media, travel vlogs, or capturing memories on the go. Flying the HoverAir Aqua is simple. You don't need a complicated controller. In fact, it can be controlled directly from your phone using the companion app, or you can use hand gestures. You can wave to make it take off, gesture to snap a photo, or make it follow you with just a signal. This makes it accessible for people who have never flown a drone before. Within minutes, you can be recording yourself walking, biking, or even swimming by the beach. One of its standout features is water resistance. Unlike most drones that you'd never risk flying near a pool or the sea, the HoverAir Aqua is designed to handle splashes in damp environments. This doesn't mean you can sink it underwater, but it does mean you can safely use it near water without worrying about accidental sprays or light rain ruining it. For beach trips, pool parties, or boat rides, this is a big advantage. The drone also has smart modes that make shooting easier. You get follow me tracking, orbit shots, and predefined flight paths. This allows you to capture cinematic angles without needing professional piloting skills. The AI tracking system is surprisingly accurate, keeping you centered in the frame as you move. It feels like having a flying cameraman that follows you around. Battery life is always a concern with small drones, but the HoverAir Aqua performs well for its size. On a single charge, it gives you around 20 minutes of flight time. Extra batteries are small and easy to swap, so carrying a few in your pocket extends your flying sessions. Charging is quick with USB-C, which makes it convenient to top up between flights. Connectivity is handled through Wi-Fi, and the app provides a live feed directly to your phone in 1080p. The range is limited compared to larger drones, but that's intentional. The HoverAir Aqua is meant for close-range shots and personal videos rather than long-distance flying. For the type of user it's targeting, that range is more than enough. The price is also attractive. It costs far less than flagship drones from DJI or Autel, but it offers features that make it highly practical for everyday use. It's not trying to replace professional drones. Instead, it's giving regular people an easy and safe way to capture aerial footage without stress or heavy investment. That makes it a strong value for beginners, families, and casual travelers. Of course, it does come with limitations. The camera, while sharp, isn't as stable as a gimbal-based system. The flight time isn't long compared to bigger drones, and the range is restricted. But those trade-offs are expected for a device this small and rideable. For what it's built to do, it performs reliably. The HoverAir Aqua is not just another toy drone. It's a tool that bridges the gap between casual fun and practical aerial photography. It's safe enough for kids and families, smart enough for beginners, and portable enough to always take with you. And with its splash resistance, it goes places many other drones wouldn't dare. So, who is this drone for? If you're a professional filmmaker, this won't replace your main gear. But if you're a traveler, a content creator on social media, or just someone who wants to capture cool moments from the air without learning complicated controls, the HoverAir Aqua is a perfect fit. At the end of the day, it delivers on its promise, a safe, fun, and capable drone that anyone can fly. For its price, size, and features, it stands out as one of the best beginner-friendly drones of 2025. Thanks for watching Tap Tech, where we break down the latest gadgets to help you decide what's worth your attention. The HoverAir Aqua proves that drones don't need to be expensive or intimidating to be fun and useful. Stay tuned for more reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.